Hi, I am Smita Raut from India and currently I am working on predictive maintenance software project. Command line functionality is very complex and not user friendly, so that there is a need to develop user friendly GUI, that is graphical user interface. So my objective is to develop GUI for predictive maintenance software. For that I am using Java language because of its features such as portability, reliability and security.
Hello, this is Pooja, working on the circuit design for electromigration testing. How the electromigration board has to be designed by using the two current source meters, that is current source meter and the source meter, and for that the circuit diagram has to be done, and the next is to be result has to be stored, that is generally the flow chart has to be shown, how the input has to be accessed by the ADC and the performed by the using the 8051 microcontroller, and the result has to be stored in the .csv file.
Financial losses caused by downtime of an asset can be reduced using predictive maintenance. With the help of data analysis, condition assessment, and maintenance planning, we are developing a predictive maintenance system for a multi-stage geared air compressor AB411. Throughout the development, we have introduced concepts such as reliability-centered maintenance, predictive forecasting, correlation, etc.
I am Abdul Shabir. I am from Assam, India. I am working on the DFT investigations of the degradation mechanisms of polydimethyl siloxane polymers. The objective of my work would be to model and simulate the degradation mechanisms of polydimethyl siloxane polymers so as to shed light on the degradation mechanisms and the chemical transformations underlying in the degradation mechanisms, and also to calculate the energy barriers for each reaction.
Hi, I'm Semoli. I work on the project CAN-based prompt gamma detector. In this, my job is to optimize the transimpedance amplifier, which is used to convert a current signal obtained from the PSPMT detector into the voltage for further processing. And also, I design a differential amplifier, which is used to convert the single unit signal obtained from the transimpedance amplifier into a differential signal to reduce the noise, so that it can be further processed to obtain the energy and position of the prompt gamma signal.
Our aim is to simulate damage due to proton irradiation on graphene and also other semiconducting materials such as silicon. Single point energy calculation, geometry optimization, charge density and band structure of electrons and phonons are calculated using DFT, which would give us a detailed understanding of electronic transport and thermal properties of the system. Further, this knowledge could be applied to produce shields that can minimize radiative damage in such materials.
Hello, I am Devanshi Chaudhary and my project is Impact of Hardware Degradation on Software Reliability. I have to design a test model that mimic the characteristic of self-driving car. Hence, the speed of the test model should slow down as the obstacle comes near the test model. After that, we have to degrade the test model and see the response time of the stopping of car. Further, we degraded the test model through vibration testing and temperature testing and analyzed the impact of hardware degradation, that is the test model, on the software.
Hello, I am Vani Paliwal and the project I am working on is optimization of IC with respect to electromagnetic emissions. The source of electromagnetic emissions is multifaceted and random in an IC. My aim was to reduce magnetic field in a high frequency and high power IC. For this, we chose gallium nitride HIMT-based power amplifier IC. The optimization of this IC is done using genetic algorithm and using ANSYS HFSS. Genetic algorithm is extensively used optimization technique in electromagnetics due to its advanced parameters of selection, crossover and mutation.
Hello, I am Shubhayan Mukherjee. Here I am working on electromigration and reliability. I started my literature study on the basis of catastrophic failure in electromigration induced resistance degradation for deep submicron dual damascene copper interconnect. Now I am trying to introduce the generalized form of resistance profile with respect to void formation after electromigration stressing. I also read power scheduling with active RC power grids as per professor's instruction. Now I am also starting a computational simulation of soft error for single event effect testing. Thank you.